Hey guys, how's it going? So I want to move on to some head tracking techniques using a bit of software called Nuke X. Nuke X is a industry standard compositing software and camera tracking software. You'll find all the big post houses use it. I know a lot of you probably use After Effects and Premiere, but I would urge you to familiarize yourself with Nuke as well, just because this is what you'll find yourselves using in the industry just as much as you'd be using After Effects, especially if you go into films. Nuke is definitely the way forward. Um, what I'm going to show you here is some work that we've done in previous years. So this is a little head tracking test that I've done, and I shot this just on my iPhone last year, I think it was, or year before. You can see it kind of goes in and out of focus. If you watch the lamp, it kind of gets it's got autofocus on, which is a no-no. So make sure you don't make the same mistakes I did. But I just kind of wanted to show you some techniques, or a technique using a new plugin that we've been gifted from a company called Keen Tools. That you should find installed inside of Nuke. So I'm going to go through the processes of that a little bit later on. I'm going to provide you with this backtracking plate so you can see that, and we're just going to quickly start off by modeling this TV head. Now the technique doesn't have to be used with this model that I'm going to create, and this is a very basic, literally 10-minute model. Um, I've taken other models that I've found online, so if you want to use a different model for your final track, you are more than welcome to, and I'll probably set you the task to go off and create your own tracks anyway. But you'll end up with something a little bit like this, and we'll run it through Nuke, which is this bit of software here, and we'll bring in a piece of proxy geometry into Nuke, and we'll get a rough track, and it only needs to be a rough track really for what we're doing. We don't need it to be pixel sharp, and as you can see, I decided to put tracking markers on my face just to try and help with the sort of tracking placement here, and I've got a nice shiny bold head, so it makes it nice and easy for these pieces of geometry to track to. So that's what we're going to cover today, that's what we're going to go into. I'm going to start off with modelling a TV, a very basic TV, and from there on in we'll put some textures on it, and we'll have that model ready as an asset so that when we've finished doing the tracking, we've got something to actually work with. So that's what we're going to be doing, and I hope you enjoy it.